Error X800b0109 is one of the biggest reasons iTunes refuses to detect an iPhone on Windows. The good news? You don't need to reinstall iTunes or download any repair tools. This fix uses 2 built-in Windows commands and takes just a couple of minutes. Let's do it. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Search for Command. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type sfc/scanow. Press Enter and let the scan finish completely. It checks for corrupted Windows system files that can interfere with iTunes. This can take a few minutes, worth letting it run all the way through instead of closing it early. Once that's done, there's just one more command, and we're finished with the terminal for good. Next, type dsm/online/cleanupimage restore health. Press Enter again and wait for it to complete. This repairs the Windows image and fixes deeper system issues. When it's done, restart your PC. After the restart, open iTunes and connect your iPhone with a USB cable. If your iPhone asks Trust this computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Wait a few seconds. As soon as the iPhone icon appears at the top of iTunes, click it. If the icon doesn't appear, unlock your iPhone and reconnect the cable once. In many cases, this resolves error 0x800b0109 and your iPhone connects normally again. If this saved you a trip to the Apple Store or a support call, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.